We are using Visual Studio Code for our code editor. Before starting to code, let me tell you two extensions that you want to install on your VS Code. First one will be Live Server. As the name suggests, we can use this to run our server, using which we can run our JavaScript outside of the browser. The second extension I want you to use is Prettier. It will help us format our code. Once this is installed, we can go to Settings, File, Preferences and Settings, and here we need to search for formatter, and here we need to select Prettier Code Formatter. There are many other available, but we need to go for Prettier Code Formatter. And just below this there should be this format on save. What this will do is, whenever we are saving our file, it will format our code using this Prettier Code Formatter. So these two extensions can be very beneficial for us. With this installed, let's start our code. Here I will make a index.html file. I will use the autocomplete feature of Emmet, which will give me the basic HTML format. So let me not get into the styling part and quickly create a new file here. That will be script.js, and this is the main file where we want to achieve everything. But before writing this script, let me add this style and script to our HTML page. That should be rather simple. Below our meta tags, I will link a sheet for CSS, and we are using style.css, so I will keep it as it is. Then I will link my script file, and here for the source I will say script.js. One thing to note here is we are using the script on the top of file, so here we need to load it asynchronously. So I will use differ here, which means this script file and all the other files will load simultaneously, not one after another. If you are keeping a script file on the top and you are not able to use your JavaScript coding, because you might not be calling your file asynchronously and you are not able to use your JavaScript. So have a look out for this. Now before starting our JavaScript file, let's see how it is looking. We can use this Go Live extension that we have installed just now. If you are not able to see this here, you can always press Alt plus L, then Alt plus O. It will start the server at port 5500 and it will open the Chrome. Now comes the main part. You can get the code and everything from online, but what I want you to learn from this video is always to make logic on your own, so that you can use the resources on internet to develop the logic that you are developing. For that, what I do is I will create a file with the name logic.txt, and here I will keep all my logic that I want to develop. It might change during the programming, but this should be the first step that we always do, so that we have a clear idea what we want to do. So here I will put some text. So with this logic in mind, let's start our script. First of all, we will write use strict, and once we save this, we can see we are getting the double quote. For that, we will need to create a new file here that will be dot prettier rc, and here we will put this so that we are only getting single quote, not the double quote. Let's save this, and now if we save our JS file, we should get only single quotes. We are using use strict here so that we don't accidentally start using undeclared variables in our script.